So let's face it, when you own a giant Mercury engine like this, the 400 horsepower, you want to go as fast as possible with your boat. And in order to do so, a jack plate comes into play. And I want to kind of discuss on how I know where to set my jack plate to get my boat to perform at its peak level, to get the top speed out of it that I possibly can. What I like to do is start off by just taking your boat and starting to run it with your trim all the way down and your jack plate all the way down. I then start trimming it up a little bit, and I want to get it up to probably 45 miles an hour, 48 miles an hour, somewhere in there. My trim is going to be right around 3/4 of its capacity. And at that point now is when I adjust my jack plate. So I just start bringing it up slowly but surely. And bring it up, bring it up, bring it up, and now you're going to start seeing your speed increase. And you're going to find that fine line where if you raise it too high, your speed's going to start slowing down. For me, it's running at about 2.5 inches up from zero. You know, I had it cruising at 47 with no jack plate, and now I'm up to 50. Now is when I can put the hammer down, trim it up a little bit more, and you can find where that top speed is. So use those tips and dial in that Mercury, and you can let her eat just like me.